Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find the archive chats on ChatGPT. So if you have archived something on ChatGPT and you don't know where you can find it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then you just need to make sure to connect it to Wi-Fi and kind of data. Secondly, make sure that you have downloaded the ChatGPT app from App Store or Play Store. So if you have not downloaded the ChatGPT app, make sure to download it. After that, you just need to open the ChatGPT app. So from here, click on the option of two straight lines at the very top left. So suppose if you have archived this post and you want to find it and you don't know where to find it from here, then you just need to click on the profile option at the very bottom, and here you'll see the option of general. So here you'll see the option of general, voice, data control, security, and all of it. So click on the option of data controls, and under chat history, here you'll see the option of view archive chat history, or clear chat history. So click on the option of view archive chat like this, and from here you'll be able to find all the archive chats kept on ChatGPT. So that's it. That's how you can find the archive chats on ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.